Sabhal Mòr Ostaig has been delivering world-class, immersive learning and research opportunities in the Gaelic language and culture for over 50 years. As the National Centre for Gaelic Language and Culture, we play a crucial role in the linguistic and cultural renaissance of Gaelic in Scotland, empowering our students, staff and partners to champion the language nationally and internationally. We are the only full immersion experience in Gaelic tertiary education anywhere in the world. This provides a unique experience for all who live, work, study and visit. That is why we attract a diverse range of students from over 25 countries and 5 continents to on-campus and online courses each year, reaching far beyond the classrooms of the Isle of Skye. We offer everything from short courses and vocational opportunities in schools to degrees and PhD opportunities, including our flagship Gaelic Immersion Year. Last year, we welcomed a record 1,600 student enrolments. Through our popular online Gaelic beginners course and course Intricacy, and our partnerships producing the highly successful Duolingo and Speak Gaelic courses, our learning materials have been accessed by millions worldwide, and demand continues to grow. Our Gaelic medium education has been and continues to be groundbreaking for the Gaelic language, producing highly skilled and highly sought-after Gaelic-speaking graduates. Our curriculum offers a range of subjects relevant to the needs of the Gaeltacht and the wider Gaelic community. Our international reputation for research on the Gaelic language, literature, culture and history is underpinned by the Sabhal Mòr Ostaig Library with its collection of rare books of great historic importance to the language and to Scotland. We are regenerating and creating jobs in a fragile economy, with the population of Slate doubling since our inception in 1973, while transforming the landscape of Gaelic academia and learning. The most recent survey estimated Sabhal Mòr Ostaig's economic impact at £7 million gross value added to the Highland region and £9 million gross value added across Scotland. We make a significant contribution to the cultural and community life of Scotland through our engagement with Gaelic creative industries, the arts, seminal lectures and research series, and as home to national cultural projects, place names of Scotland, Eneman Archin na Halapa, Toprandochish Kist of Riches, the Digital Sound Archive, and the Dictionary of the Scottish Gaelic Language, Fachler na Gaelic. Gaelic is not just a language, it is a culture, a people, a history, a part of our environment and who we are as Scots, and an important part of Scotland's future. As a leader in Gaelic learning, research and cultural opportunities, Sabhal Mòr Ostaig looks forward to the next 50 years empowering a new generation of confident Gaelic graduates and working with our partners to achieve Scotland's wider ambitions for Gaelic as a living language and a thriving culture.